Hey boo, hey, what is up and welcome back to my channel. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites if you would like to keep up with me. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Loreal Elixir and our toner Aqua de Rosas. A lot of you guys are asking me to add soap. Will be coming soon. Oh, I got something in my eye. But anyways, in today's episode, we will be doing the Battle of the Dupes, aka skincare edition. So I'm really excited. I have two masks here. I have the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser Mask, and it's an exfoliate refine clay to mousse cleanser. So I'm going to show it. I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see what it looks like. If you've actually, I'll just add pictures here of what the cleansers look like so you guys can see which ones we're going to do, because sometimes I feel like the light is too bright, or like too bright where you guys can't see it. So I'm gonna just leave like clips of what the cleansers look like so you guys can know. Anyways, I picked this up when I went to Walgreens. If you guys watch some of my videos, then you know I went to Walgreens and I did a Battle of the Dupes. So I found this cleanser. It was on sale. Well, I thought it was the clay because I was actually gonna do a Battle of the Dupes with the charcoal clay versus the Aragon clay, or this is a pure red clay. Then I got in front of the camera and I realized that this is actually not a clay mask. It's actually a pure mousse cleanser. So then I had to go and look for the charcoal version. Now the charcoal version of this mask is really popular. When I went to the stores, it was pretty much sold out. So it's really popular if it's selling out here in Arizona, because you know ain't nobody really live in Arizona like that, especially Chandler and Gilbert. So if it was sold out here, it's bumping. Probably wherever y'all live at, I'm just saying. But anyway, so I went to the store and I couldn't find it. So then I looked on eBay. I'm gonna say this, y'all, eBay is like the SWAT meet for skincare and beauty. Like, please be cautious when you buy on eBay, especially high-end products, because they will dupe you. But anyways, I got like a whole packet of stuff from eBay, that samples that someone sent me, these nice little samples, and I paid like $15, and it included 2 of these. Side note, I think she charged me for the bag, but that's here nor there. It is a cute bag, and it's pleather or leather. I don't know what it is, but it's a cute bag, and it say Macy's. So, you know, even though Macy's ain't bumping like it used to be bumping back in, y'all remember when Macy's used to be bumping and you would have to pay like $50 or $60 for clothes at Macy's? But I will always go to the clearance section. But because before I got a little chunky, you know, side note, I really had to have a self-intervention with myself this weekend and realize I've gotten too big. But that's a whole nother story for another time. I am on a diet, so if I'm not as cheery as I used to be, that's why. But anyways, let's just get into this. Anyway, so I got these 2 products. They're the mini versions of it, you know, to see if I like it. If I like it, I'll buy the full product, but I didn't want to waste. This one was like, this was really expensive. This cleanser was like, I would say about $12. And this one, so I just got a little sample because I didn't want to spend $12 just in case I didn't like it. So we're going to dupe the sample versus sample. Side note, I got this on sale for $5.95. So that's why I bought it, because you're probably like, well, why you buy one and you didn't buy the other? It was on sale for $5.95 and I just couldn't justify spending $12. I'm still trying to save for my Tatcha cream. With that being said, let's just get into this video. Okay, so I'm so happy they have the ingredients on the back. So they both contain water, kaolin, and glycerin. This one has cornstarch in it. The red one has cornstarch, and this one has cocoa betaine, which is some sort of like cocoa cleanser. Sodium lauryl, sucrosinate, potassium laurate. They pretty much have the same ingredients. This one list, look at, I am so blind, I'm looking like real down below. This list is a little bit longer than this list, I will say, but this one does include charcoal powder. This one has, how many clays? See, now it has cornstarch in it. And that's really interesting. I don't see 3 clays in this, but I'm not gonna make sure, so I'm gonna look it up to make sure there's actually 3 clays in the red one, because this one says 3 pure charcoal clay. So I don't know if they're trying to say it's called ZMA starch, AK, and then it's / cornstarch. So I guess ZMAs is the Latin name for cornstarch, but I see iron oxides in this, but oh, here we go. Moroccan lava clay is like way at the end, so that's the second clay, and then the Montomorillonite is the Montomorillite clay is the second clay in this last. Now, Montomorillite clay, I heard, was a real cheap clay. So I'm just letting y'all know what I heard, okay? I'm not saying it's a cheap clay, but that's what they say. Google it, Montomorillite clay is a cheap clay. And then this one has the same ingredients, except it has charcoal powder. And charcoal powder is really not a clay, but it does have rock and lava clay, as well as Montomorillonite clay and charcoal powder. So these are the 2. So I'm gonna just do this side and then this side. So let's read the directions. It says pure clay is to okay, woo, I'm having a little slurring of the words today. Pure clay. I'm sorry, pure clay. Sorry, you guys, but let's get it. It says, okay, it says these are the results you will see. Pretty much has the same results. It says skin is purified of dirt, oil, pollution immediately. Skin is left with clean, clear look. Skin feels smoother. So I'm really excited for that. And then it says use after use. Improves skin overall quality. Skin looks healthier with refined texture. Pores appear tight and minimize. Imperfections appear less visible. So this is what these clays are supposed to do. This is how much I'm using. Y'all know I got a big head, so for this side of this face, I'm going to use quarter size amounts. If you have a smaller head, dime size amounts work. I'm just going to add a little water. Oh, it's really exfoliating. Oh my God, here, you guys, let me see. You guys, it is really exfoliating. Like, it has like crystals in it. So I'm gonna put it on this side of my face. So the charcoal cleanser doesn't have any direction, so I'm just gonna do it the same way I did this cleanser. But it doesn't really turn into a mousse. But I will say that it does feel very exfoliating, like it has like sand or something in it, but it's a gentle exfoliation. Side note, I know I did forget to swatch it, so let's swatch it, because I am the queen of swatching as we put it on our face. You know, let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So this is what it looks like. Oh, there we go. So that's what it looks like. It's like really like has like, I don't know, it's like a nice exfoliation. It's not too harsh. It's like pumice stone. If you guys have ever exfoliated your skin with pumice stone, that's what it feels like a gentle exfoliation that's not too harsh. It's not like sugar, but I don't see pumice in this, but it's a nice exfoliation. The scent is very clean, very light. It's not my favorite scent. Like, I could do without the scent, but it's a nice scent. Okay, since we already just put this side, I'm just gonna quickly swatch the black one. So this is what the charcoal one looks like. And let's do a good swatch. What in the world? Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that, okay? Oh, wow. Okay, well, this one is actually different. There's no real exfoliation. It's like more of a sticky, slimy texture, but this is, I have to get it in. Y'all saw that. So that's what it looks like. Now let's put it on our hand. Let's put it on our face. Okay, so this is what this side looks like. So I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can compare both sides. This is, I forgot to get my neck. So this is the detox and brightening side, where it detoxes and it brightens. And this one is to exfoliate and refine your face. So even though they do different things, I'm just showing you guys. Which one would you prefer? Look at, okay. Oh, Okay, so I'm going to rinse my face and then we could be back. Ta-ta! I know my eye is twitchy. I really wish I would have caught it. But anyways, this is my face. I'm going to do a close-up. Let's turn the light up just a little bit. Okay, we have a special guest. Say hi, Tiki. Say hi. Say hi. So she's up because it's time to get potty trained, girlfriend. Anyways, let's do a close-up. This is my face. Can y'all see? So this is the exfoliate and refine one. Oh, crap, I scratched myself. Can you guys see? And this side is the detox and brightening. Can you guys see? Can you see? So which side do you guys like? The detox. Let me look in the mirror because I'm looking in the screen finder, but let me look in the mirror. Do you guys like the exfoliate and refine or the detox and brightening? Which one do you guys prefer? So let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, so I did put Loreal elixir on my face, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. Loreal elixir contains all natural blue tansy essential oil, so make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com. So I would like to say this. Out of both of them, the exfoliate and refine mask and the pure clay cleanser detox mask, I would have to say that this one is one that I would purchase, and I'm actually happy that I purchased the larger one versus the small one of these, because I don't see myself ever using this one again, but I definitely will use this one again. I will say this one did brighten my skin just a little bit, but it did bring out my pores. So, you know, I really wasn't a fan of that one. This one really did exfoliate my skin, and my skin felt nice and supple. This side of my face with the detox and brightening had a lot of drying after. My face was very, very dry, which it did the same thing as the clay mask does in itself, the L'Oreal charcoal clay mask. And this side was very hydrating, moisturized, and my skin did look brightening as well on this side. Not only was it refined, but I had a bit of a glow, in my opinion, on the this side of my face, and it also felt smooth. And I will say my skin just looks overall great with this cleanser on this side of my face. I don't think I would ever purchase this cleanser again. With that being said, they both do different things, but I will say they did have the majority of the same ingredients, with this one having a little more ingredients than this one having. Also with this one having cocoa butane. This one doesn't have that one, and this one actually had cornstarch in it, which is interesting because I would have never thought it would have had cornstarch in this one. So with that being said, and this one actually has salicylic acid in this one, and this one doesn't have salicylic acid. I don't see salicylic acid on the ingredient list. With that being said, you know, this one would make a great acne cleanser, a very gentle, great acne cleanser. And in the exfoliation is nice and gentle. I really enjoyed the exfoliation of this cleanser. This is a really great cleanser. I actually see myself buying this more and actually using it more. I would actually put this drugstore product on the list of my favorite cleansers. It's a really great one. I suggest you guys check this out. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was great for all skin types, in my personal opinion, except if you have sensitive skin. I really don't recommend people with sensitive skin to use a lot of exfoliation and cleansers. And if you have dry skin but sensitive skin, leaning, you may want to stay clear of this anyway. But this is suitable for oily to combination skin, and I think the reason with the salicylic acid as well as the exfoliation, this made a great cleanser. With that being said, those are my opinions on both products. Those are the cleansers. Next, once my clay mask finally come, I'll do a dupe of the two clay masks and we can see which one is better. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of the battle of the dupes, drugstore edition, brand versus brand. The brands is duking it out on this channel. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Loreal Elixir. If you would like to keep up with me, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, and I'll see you in our next episode. Love you guys so much. Bye, you guys. So she's up because it's time to get potty trained, girlfriend. Right, anyone? Come here. Come here. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Not so many. The other one containing cocoa bentonite. Say hi. Bentonite, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. This one really wasn't my favorite cleansing. Okay, you're going upstairs now. You'll be in Manchi. Say bye. Good to know. Good to know.